You know, it seems like forever since we had a long weekend. And with this weekend being the unofficial start to summer, I can't wait to cook up some burgers and relax. At least that's the plan until something else is added to my never-ending honey-do list. But even with that, I guarantee I'll make time for these over-the-top burgers. To make them, all we do is mix together some ground beef, barbecue sauce, and a touch of salt and pepper. Now we form these into patties, and here's a little tip. Make an indentation in the center of each patty before cooking them so they don't puff up and end up looking like meatballs. Depending on the weather, we can cook them inside in a grill pan or skillet or out on the grill. A couple of minutes on each side is all it takes before we top them with a slice of white cheddar. Now we build them with all of our favorites. Lettuce, tomato, bacon, yeah, bacon. And to go a step further, make sure you don't forget to slather these with our homemade garlic mayo and pile on some crispy onion rings. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our Honky Tonk burgers, so you'll have it on hand this weekend. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, wishing you a happy Memorial Day. And even with everything else going on, don't forget to take a moment to remember those who gave of themselves so we can live in freedom. After all, that's the true meaning of, ooh, it's so good.